5 things you need to know today before the markets open with voxmarkets.co.uk.
It's Wednesday, the 25th of November 2020 at 5. A second-hand car website has seen its value rocket to more than $1 billion, putting it into unicorn status. India's Cars 24 has seen a big rise in business during the pandemic as people look to alternatives to public transport, such as pre-owned cars. At 4, tech entrepreneur Elon Musk has topped Microsoft founder Bill Gates to become the world's second richest man after a meteoric rise in his personal fortune. Musk's net worth jumped by $7.2 billion to $128 billion after shares in his car firm Tesla surged. At 3, US shares hit fresh records yesterday with the Dow Jones index closing above 30,000 points for the first time amid hopes of a strong economic recovery and the end of political uncertainty. The S&P 500 also hit an all-time high as investors bought economically sensitive financial and energy stocks. At 2, stockpiles of personal protective equipment were inadequate for COVID pandemic, and price rises earlier this year cost taxpayers about £10 billion, the government spending watchdog says. Almost $12.5 billion was spent on 32 billion items of PPE between February and July, whilst during the same period of 2019, 1.3 billion items were bought at a cost of £28.9 million. And at 1, Chancellor Rishi Sunak has already pledged over £200 billion to fight COVID-19 crisis, will free up more cash today against the backdrop of the heaviest public borrowing since World War II. Sunak will announce extra investment to ease a backlog in the health system, counter a surge in unemployment, and build new infrastructure in a one-year spending review that is due to deliver to Parliament around 12:30 today. For more details on any of these stories, visit voxmarkets.co.uk.
5 things you need to know today before the markets open with voxmarkets.co.uk.